How to build a workbench using rough lumber.
Okay, I'm going to build a workbench here, a place where we can put like flower pots and start veggies and stuff like that in front of the windows. Now I want my bench, the top of the bench, to be to the windowsill. And the windowsills are 3 feet. And the back wall, I'm just going to put the frame, I'm going to nail it right to the wall. But on the front, I'm going to need posts. And I'll have a 1-inch thick surface on there. So I need my post at 35, which will give me 36 on top. 35. Now I'm going to need 3 of these. Now I got to measure for my dado. So I need a 4-inch cut. I'm going to dado in 1.5 inches. So that's going to be cut out. Now the shelf underneath. Now I want that. I want a 16-inch space between the bottom of this 2x4 and the top of this one. So now this will be going on the left wall. So I'll be having a 2x4 coming in this way. So I'm going to need a dado for that. So we'll come off this one. The facing timber goes this way, and then the cross short piece goes this way. Okay, this is my test block. I'm going to set my dado up with this. There. Now that's going to come down. And we're going to try it right there. Go right on. Okay, now this is my center post. Now, let's see. There. Now for the shelf. Okay. Now this is the frame for the top of the bench. If I get that lined up. Now this is a frame for the bottom shelf. Center. Okay, let's see if we can stand this thing up. Easy. There, that's not going nowhere. Hey, I have a board in my bottom shelf here. What do I need? Let's see, 21. 21 will give me like half an inch of overhang, which is plenty. Yeah, that'll be good. 21. Okay, I lock my blade in. I need to make a little jig here. 21, right on. So what I do is just put a block up here. Clamp that down. Okay. Okay, this first piece I gotta cut out for this leg. So I'll put a square on here, slide that in. Fine. You've got 4.5. Check. 4.5. Now 4.5. So I'm going to cut that out. Now this is why I left my cross frame here out about 1/2 inch. It gives this something to sit on. Let me see, 2 3/8. Okay. About 24 inches. That'll give me about an inch overhang. I think that'd be plenty. Yeah. 24 inches. 4 inches. There. She's done.